What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Quick D in the building, and today I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to green screen on your phone with Kinemaster. Real easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't look at this video talking about, I can't do that cause it's hard. I know it's hard. This is not hard. You can green screen on Kinemaster with just 2 simple steps. Step 1, record your video in front of a green sheet or green something. Step 2, download and open up Kinemaster, and let's go! See, first of all, what you're gonna do once you download this Kinemaster is you're gonna click the plus, bam, 16 by 0.9 ratio. Okay, now once you're on there, you're gonna add your media source, bam! You're gonna go to photos, and you're gonna add the background. Unless you got videos, you can add whatever you got. Okay, once you add that, you're gonna click this arrow, the check mark. Make sure you pull it all the way back to the front. Next thing you wanna do is you're gonna add layer. Click layer, bam! Once you click layer, the first thing at the top that look like a video, right there. It look like some video something, a picture, you know, the first thing at the top once you click layer, you're gonna click that, bam! You see it turn red. All right, now you're gonna find your green screen clip, wherever it's at. Bam, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, now you put your clip on there. What you wanna do is you wanna go over to here and click chroma key. 1, 2, 3 down is called chroma key right here, bam! Once you click chroma key, you're gonna enable. Y'all see this? Chroma key, enable. All right, right here we go, we're running kind of slow. Chroma key, you're gonna click enable right there. See where it says enable? You're gonna click enable. Click that check mark, bam! And once you click the check mark, you see you got your green screen right there. Now what you wanna do is click on the green, click on your background clip, the first one you add, and drag that along. Drag it all the way to the end of your video. Wherever your video stop at, you wanna drag that. Go back to the beginning. Now you're gonna click on your green clip, the green screen clip. Click on that, you should see the little arrows and all that drop down. Now what you want to do is go to where it says crop it. Bam, right there, crop it. And you're gonna take these little dots and you're gonna pull it crop. Don't worry about it turning green, cause it's gonna turn green until you get done so you can see what you're doing. And you're gonna crop it. Now you're gonna click that check mark at the top, bam. And there goes your green screen. Now, see you got a little fuzz in it. What you want to do is you're going to click on your green screen. You're going to go to adjustments. You're going to put your color in. See that? So taking all that green out. Work with that, put your color in. Check mark. Put that green again. That's it. You're going to click that chroma key. We need to click that chroma key. You see the sliders on that chroma key? You're gonna slide down. Easy peasy, just like that. You're gonna slide down. And once you slide them, there's your green screen. See that? You can take this, you can move it wherever you like. Anywhere you like. Basically, that's it. Click the check mark, and there's your green screen on your iPhone. See that? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's your boy Quick D. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. We're gonna do this one more time, y'all. You're gonna go click the plus at Kinemaster. Let it load up. 16 by 9. Click 16.9. Let it load up. My computer running slow, y'all. Once it load up, you're gonna click that media at the top. That's gonna drop down. You're gonna click photos or videos or whatever you wanna use. I click all. I got a picture right here, I'm gonna click that picture. Once I click that picture, I'm gonna click the check mark. See that? Slide is all the way to the beginning. Click your layer button. Click the first thing at the top. It look where you put your picture, it look like a picture or a video clip. Click that, bam. Now you're gonna look for your green screen clip. Put your green screen clip on there. See it? Now you're gonna go to the side and click chroma key. Once you click chroma key, let my video catch up. Click chroma key, you're gonna enable. Click enable. See that? Once you click enable, them 2 slider buttons is what you're gonna work with to get the color right. Try to watch the video with you so I can see what I'm doing, cause my computer kinda lagging, y'all. Use them slider buttons to get your green stuff out, right there. See them sliders, use them. Once at 49, once at 50. You can also slide this around with your hand. Move it with your hand. Get that place and make it bigger or smaller, however you want to do this. Whatever that floats your boat. And once you're done with your green screen, you'll click the exclamation, the check mark at the top. You'll click the share button. Click that check mark right there. Bam! Click it. Then you're gonna click that share button. Share. You're gonna export. You're gonna skip where it said you're gonna skip that. We ain't gonna worry about that right now. Put your food stamp card back in your pocket. We ain't gonna worry about that. Now that it's exported, I'm gonna show you what you got. You can play your movie right there. Easy peasy, y'all. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And you already know how to do this. I hope y'all got this. I'm gone.